Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning of the honorable lecturers of the English department and my fellow student. My name is Nadia Mahfuzah. I am a student of the Physics Education Department, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education. My student identification number is 2510-1211-20001. It is a great honor for me to present my final project for this semester. Today, I am going to discuss a critical health issue from a unique perspective. The title of my presentation is The Silent Killer Through the Lens of Physics, a detailed hemodynamic analysis of hypertension. Why we need to talk about physics medicine? Usually, people see hypertension is a purely biological problem involving salt of genetics. However, as a physics education, I believe that our cardiovascular system is essentially a complex mechanical piping circuit. The purpose of this presentation is to explain how physical variables such as vessel radius, pipe length, and to fluid elasticity determine our blood pressure. By the end of this video, I hope to provide you with a new understanding of why understanding physics is vital for saving lives. Let's start with the first variable, the blood vessel radius. In physics, there is a law called the Hagen-Poiseuille law. This law states that resistance is inversely proportional to the port power of the radius. This means if your pipes narrow just a little bit, the pressure goes up exponentially. Evidence from Wahut in 2021 shows that heart medicine only widened the diameter by 0.35 millimeters. It's tiny, but physically, this tiny change is enough to lower blood pressure significantly because of that port power. The second factor is vessel pipe length, which is very relevant to obesity. A mathematical study by Akbar and Shah in 2024 confirms the longer the pipe, the greater the pressure needed to move the fluid. Physically, an obese person heart works harder because the body grows extra blood vessels to reach both tissue. You are adding kilometers of extra piping. Imagine a short garden house versus a very long one. You have to blow much harder through the long house because of friction. That is exactly what happens in obesity. So, what's the solution? The answer is exercise. Research by Wang in 2025 show that exercise creates wall shear stress. When blood flows faster during exercise, it creates friction that massages the vessel walls. This message helps the pipes widen naturally. Also, exercise lowers the pulse wave velocity. This is a scientific way to say that it restores the elasticity of your pipes. You are turning stiff pipes back into flexible ones. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, hypertension is proof of physical loss in our bodies. It's about narrow radius, long pipes, and steep walls. We must fix the variable radius, length, and elasticity. Let's stop fighting the laws of physics and start understanding them. Thank you very much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.